Hello, and today it is a wrap-up vlog from Pondicherry. It's last day and a half or two left in Pondicherry, and I'm going to take you along with me because we are going to explore the fruit, veg, flower market, and I am so excited. It's hot, a little bit humid. It feels like it's going to rain. It's not happening, but yeah. So let's go and explore a bit of more of Pondicherry. Now flower market. So we've done the fruit market, veg market, and now it's flower market. Look at it. Now it's all the dals and papa and spicy. So today we have walked around, done some tasting. Sorry, I could not make the video, but we are now heading to the market, like the proper town market, which has got fruits, veg, everything under one roof. And I thought I will quickly whip my phone out and take some videos for you guys. So let's see what's there. No. That's palm leaves, and there's the fresh flowers. People buy from here wholesale, and then they'll make things with it. Look at that. It's a banana flower. Lime. So these are banana flowers, and that's the inside of the banana flower. She's meticulously tidying it up, and then you make and cook with it. Okay, so that's bananas, lots of fruits, veg. I wish that banana flower, I wish I could cook with it. Lots of pumpkins, all sorts of veg.
You said you had yesterday, that must be a little bigger, no?
Yeah.
So that's hybrid. No, these are. This is country one.
Just curry leaves, guys. Lots of coconut. So these shops have shut because they were open in the morning, and now they're done for the business. Some of them are still open.
No.
Telling you,
This is
it is.
No, it's set.
So now we've come to like bangles. I just bought some bangles. Flower market. More flowers there. I'm just showing you around, guys. I can't give you exact everything what it is, but just enjoy it with me. I hope you will. Wow! Just casually walking past the market. I got scared for a second, to be honest. Guys, this is like heaven for me because I'm just taking it all in. I've had a great day walking around. I'm so glad I could capture at least this bit for you. So interesting, so lovely. So guys, this goes on and on. I'm gonna stop filming because it's a bit annoying to everyone else that I'm filming. just goes on and on. This has been absolutely fantastic. And I'm going to share what we did today in a little bit. I'll tell you what we did today, so in case anyone is interested, it might find it very helpful. White pumpkin. Guys, we've come to the kitchen bit. I stopped filming and then we reached the kitchen bit, so I couldn't not show you the kitchen bits. Look at that. What do you want? Oh. It's just on and on and on. Yeah. Right guys, so I just wanted to come on here and quickly tell you a little bit about Pondicherry. So we spent 4 days. I did make a vlog on day 1 and little bits on day 2, but I tried to not film everything because I just wanted to take a break. I have filmed the food part for you because that I guess is the most important, but I just wanted to tell you that we did a lovely heritage walk in the French quarters yesterday, which was amazing. We did a visit to Oroville, went to Matri Mandir, which was kind of surreal, amazing. And then today we did a heritage walk in the Tamil quarters, which was so interesting. Stopped for some sweets, Indian sweets, and yeah, it's been an amazing stay in Pondicherry. So if you are thinking or in doubts of visiting Pondicherry, don't think twice. Definitely plan your visit. It's our last evening here. I am stopping at the promenade to try their food because we've had so much local food. We thought we'll try something different. And this place offers a mix of everything: Pan-Asian, it's got continental, it's got yeah, all sorts of Indian as well. So yeah, we thought we'll have a little change for our last meal. I'll show you what we'll eat and I'll show you a little bit around in the restaurant, but I hope you enjoy this with me. It's just opposite the sea front, and I'm going in now. Having some prawn spring rolls that chef has prepared with Indian Sula wine. That's a chicken tikka pizza that is South Indian style fried chicken or fried fish in banana leaf. That is prawns in butter and some bitter and veg, and that is a Chetna chicken kulcha.
Oh, is that?
That's tres leches, that's tiramisu. This is their walnut hazelnut tart and the molten chocolate cake with a coffee ice cream.
This is the dining room. Morning. And they're just setting up for breakfast. So obviously you get your bakes, croissants, but this is not ordinary. Got yogurt, bit of granola, but then there are fresh masala. Got chutneys, these are local bananas, and then chef is making more stuff. So today for breakfast there is puri bhaji. So every day they do a bit of different breakfast. Yesterday we had idli, dosa, fresh fruits, and today it's puri bhaji. I'm waiting for my puri. And it's just so nice. And that is a wrap on Pondicherry. Packing up here. Hope you've enjoyed the Pondicherry videos. It was a great trip. If you're thinking about Pondicherry, then definitely put it on your list and save the places that I posted on the vlogs. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you from another destination in the next vlog. Bye for now.